ya agriculture. Sawa.
So far, we have about 19,000 beehives across the county, and we want to promote farmers because our honey is the highest, very high quality in this region. And we really want to also open up market avenues for our farmers.
As Imara, we have supported them get beehives and accompanying equipment that is for harvesting, so that they can improve their production, so that productivity for honey can be improved, so that the cooperative can get sufficient raw materials to do business.